Hello and welcome. In this module, you will learn how to plan a live lecture on Next Learning platform. The first and most crucial step for any lecture is planning. While this might not be a traditional classroom, you should put in the same efforts to plan for your live lecture classes as well. You can start by making timetables and preparing a lecture schedule for the entire week. Before starting the live lecture, keep the following tips in mind. Identify a space that you can use to conduct the lectures. Make sure that there is no backlight so that the students can see you clearly. A dark background, such as a black curtain, will be ideal. Ensure that there is no clutter or other distractions around you. The focus of the students needs to be on you. Keep your laptop charged and ensure that your internet connection is working fine. Close all other windows and unnecessary applications on your laptop before starting the lecture. Use earphones or headset and speak into the mic so that your voice is clear. If you need a whiteboard or notepad to write something and explain to the students, ensure that it is close by. This will allow you to easily turn your webcam. In case you are planning to use an online whiteboard feature, you can easily attach a stylus to the screen. This is easily available and makes writing easy. Now that you are prepared, let us now see how you can schedule a live lecture. After you log into Next Learning platform, click LMS under Quick Links from the Staff dashboard. You will be directed to the Teacher Workspace dashboard. From My Courses, select the concerned class and subject for which you want to plan a live lecture. You will be directed to the Summary page where you can see the progress, components, as well as the list of chapters in that particular course. Click the chapter for which you want to plan a live lecture. You will be directed to the course details page. On the left side of this page, you will see a list of chapters as well as the sessions under each chapter. Select the chapter that you are currently teaching. Choose a session depending on the number of classes you have conducted so far. Now, you will be able to see the summary, resources, concepts, questions, external content, and live lectures of this session. In the Summary tab, you can add the summary and objective of the session, as well as the various teaching strategies that you plan to employ. In Resources, you can see the list of resources that you can use to teach the chapter. You can add new resources as well. To add a resource, click the Add icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will be directed to the Global Resource Library. To add any of these resources to your session, click a session. You will see a confirmation message, Resource added to the session successfully. Click the arrow beside Global Resource Library. This will lead you to the course detail page at the chapter level. A detailed video on this is available as well. In case you have planned an assessment or homework for the students, you should identify and decide them before the live lecture begins. This will allow you to share the homework or assessment immediately after the lecture is done. A detailed video on homework creation and assigning to the students is available as well. In Concepts, you can add the concepts that you plan to teach in the session. In Questions, you can add relevant questions you want to give as homework or teach in the session. In External Content, some reference videos will be published from Khan Academy as per the concept mapped to the session. Now, click Live Lectures. If you have not conducted any live lecture yet, click Schedule Lecture or Start Lecture given in the middle of the screen. If you have already conducted a few sessions, click the video icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will get the same two options, Schedule Lecture and Start Lecture. Click Schedule Lecture. A Schedule Live Lecture dialog box will appear on the screen. Here, you can choose the lecture date as well as the start and end time. Once a lecture has been published, both students and parents will be notified about it via push notifications. We hope this module helped you understand how to plan for a live lecture. Thank you.